Tired of your WordPress site crawling? What if you could turn off heavy plugins only where you don't need them, without touching a single line of code? Introducing WP Plugin Manager, the ultimate tool to boost speed, cut bloat, and keep your site ultra-fast. Here's the problem. Most plugins load on every page, even when they're not needed. That means slow loading, wasted resources, frustrated visitors, and lower SEO rankings. WP Plugin Manager fixes this by letting you disable plugins per page, post, or device instantly. You can disable plugins on specific pages and posts, use a clean dashboard with search and filters, bulk disable across multiple pages, manage custom post types with a single click, and the best part, zero coding required. Want more power? Device-based rules. Disable on desktop, mobile, or both. Backend controls. Manage plugins in the admin dashboard. URL and directory targeting. Laser focus where plugins load. Inverse logic. Enable only where you want. Supercharged rules for 150 plus posts at once. That's total control over your site's performance. Result? Sites run up to 90% faster. Faster pages mean better SEO, higher conversions, and happier visitors. Perfect for WooCommerce stores, blogs, business sites, or portfolios. Any site that wants speed without sacrificing features. Setup is a breeze. Search WP Plugin Manager in the WordPress directory. Install, activate, and start optimizing in minutes. Worried about breaking your site? Don't be. WP Plugin Manager doesn't touch plugin files. Just re-enable with a click. Plus, it works smoothly with caching plugins. So, stop letting unnecessary plugins slow you down. Download WP Plugin Manager for free today, or go pro for next-level control. Thanks for watching. We hope this walkthrough of WP Plugin Manager helps you make your WordPress site faster and lighter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your site lean, fast, and powerful.